Hello friends, I want to show you one ordinary and one original way how you can deflate a foil balloon. You know that foil balloons can be reused. And here's how to free the balloon from the air completely. I'll show you now. So let's get started. One of the simplest and most common ways is to deflate a balloon with a plastic tube. You need to carefully insert the tube inside the valve and push it to the end of the valve inside the foil balloon. As soon as the end of the tube inside the balloon touches the air, the balloon will deflate. To speed up this process, you need to put a little pressure on the balloon. Look, I'm just pressing the balloon with my hands. Unfortunately, this method does not completely deflate the balloon. When you fold it, you may notice that some of the air remains inside. It is not very convenient for storing balloons. I will show you a way by which you can extract the remaining air from the balloon. I take a plastic tube, put it in a 12-inch balloon and tie it very tightly with a modeling balloon. I cut off the opposite side of the balloon. Now I'm putting a balloon on the back of the hand pump. Now I insert a tube into the valve of a foil balloon and pump out all the remaining air. Now I'm folding the foil balloon, putting it away for storage. Deflate a balloon completely in this way is very laborious, but it is very convenient to release the balloon from the remaining small amount of air. Thank you for watching us.